Hi Douglas, hi friends, hi all of you out there. It's Thursday again, and this is the last Juicy Grammar with Stephen for this season. I'm going to take my hat off, because what I want to do today is just to revise and talk a little bit about what we've done together. As you know, here's my friend Douglas, and he's been with me, helping me when we've been doing our grammar sessions together. Also my other friends, Percy Puffin and Roger Rabbit, etc., and Terence the Tiger, they also helped us in some of the weeks we were doing. Oh, you're asking what did we do during the weeks? If you cast your mind back then, we started off looking at words that look the same but are maybe pronounced differently. We also looked at some words such as a few and a little versus few and a little. We also used with Mr. Fox how to tell the time. That's a great episode. That's a good one to go out in the playground and run around with. What else did we do? We also did some and any. Where you helped me, didn't you? That's right, you told me that you had buried some bones last week. Yeah. So it's been a rather exciting and fun experience this spring term with you. And I look forward to doing more of Juicy Grammar in the autumn. If you have any requests yourselves to any topic of grammar you want me to take up during the Juicy Grammar sessions, then please send me a note to the CyberBridge, either on our Facebook side. Now we're going to take a nice summer holiday, and we'll see you again after the summer holidays. Douglas says bye-bye, and I say bye-bye too. Okay?